Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Jayco Jay Flight SLX8 line of travel trailers. The Jay Flight SLX8 offers a wide variety of floor plans and a long list of features in a camper line that's built to last and allow you to enjoy your trailer for years to come. The Jay Flight SLX8 floor plans range in length from about 25.5 feet to a little over 36 feet, and in weight from about 4,100 pounds to almost 7,400. There are 18 floor plans in total, and of those, 11 of them are bunk models. Let's kick things off with those bunk models. First up, we have the 224BH. This floor plan has a queen-size bed at the front, double bunks in the rear, a campside kitchen, and a dinette and pantry across from that. Next, we have the 242BHS. This model offers a queen bed at the front of the trailer, separated from the rest of the unit by an entertainment center, a U-shaped dinette on the off-camp side housed in a slide-out, a campside kitchen, and some bunks at the rear of the camper. The 244BHS offers a queen bed at the rear of the unit next to a dinette in an off-door slide-out. On the campside wall is the kitchen, and at the front of the trailer are some bunk beds. The next bunk model is the 264BH. This model offers a queen bed, a sofa separating the bed from the rest of the RV, a dinette on the campside, and a kitchen on the off-camp side. Plus, at the rear of the unit are a pair of bunks. The 267BHS is a very popular layout with a queen bed at the front of the camper and bunks at the rear. It also comes with the campside kitchen and a super slide with a dinette and sofa across from the kitchen. The 284BHS offers a similar layout to the last floor plan, but some of the elements are configured differently. For example, there's a larger U-dinette and sofa in the off-camp side, and the campside kitchen offers an L-shaped countertop. The entertainment center also moves to the campside directly across from the sofa. The 286BHSW is a West Coast bunk model with double-over-double bunks in the back above an outside kitchen, a super slide with a U-shaped dinette and sofa, and a campside entertainment center and L-shaped kitchen. The 287BHS offers a queen bed at the front of the RV with an entertainment center and storage, separating the bed from the rest of the RV. There's a kitchen on the campside of the RV and a large slide-out across from it featuring a U-dinette and sofa. At the rear of the unit are double-over-double bunk beds. The 294QBS is a quad bunkhouse model with an outside kitchen and a super slide in the main living area, housing a U-shaped dinette and sofa. This layout also features a private bedroom thanks to the entertainment center and has a campside kitchen and bathroom. The 324BDS is a bunkhouse model that offers a queen bed at the front of the unit, separated from the main living area by an entertainment center. It also features a campside kitchen and a slide-out in the living area with a U-dinette and a sofa. The bunk room has a slide that houses a cube sofa and upper bunk. Across from that is a third bunk above the TV and wardrobe area. Now let's move on to the floor plans that are not bunk models. The 212QB is the first, and it features a queen bed at the front with a sofa across from a campside dinette in the back. The kitchen is also on the campside, and on the off-camp side are the bathroom, pantry, and refrigerator. The 232RB features a queen bed at the front of the RV, and a sofa separates the bed from the rest of the living space. The unit features a campside dinette and an off-campside kitchen. At the rear is a large bathroom and closet for hanging clothes. The 235RKS is a rear kitchen model with campside theater seats directly across from an entertainment center with a fireplace. It also features a walk-through bathroom with a very large countertop, and the model has two entrances. The 245RLS is next, and it offers a rear living floor plan with a sofa across the back wall, campside kitchen, and a dinette in a slide across from the kitchen. The 248RBS is another non-bunk with a single slide. This unit has a large U-dinette, a campside kitchen, and wardrobe. It also features a sofa in the main living area. At the front of the unit is a master bedroom with a queen bed. The 265RLS features two lounge chairs along the back wall with a super slide housing a sofa and dinette in the main living area. It also has a campside kitchen, walk-through bathroom, and two entrances. Last on the list is the 285RLS. It's very similar to the 265, however, instead of a walk-through bathroom, it features an angled bath with the TV being mounted on that angle. Let's get into the features of this line of RVs. The Jayco JayFlight SLX8 offers chocolate maple wood cabinet fronts, seamless countertops, 3-burner range and oven, and brushed nickel faucets. All models come with an 81-inch ceiling height, queen Simmons mattress, 300 to 600 pound rating for bunk beds depending on the size, and a 13.5 kW BTU AC unit. When it comes to construction, Jayco uses a 3-inch cambered steel box tube frame, a fully integrated A-frame, and the Magnum Truss roof system with seamless Dyflex 2 material. Jayco also uses screws instead of staples, larger nail plates, and thicker wood studs and headers. This is one travel trailer that will last a long time and beat out its competition in terms of durability. Now that you know all about the Jay Flight SLX8, you know that it's a travel trailer that sets itself apart from the competition. If you and your family are looking for a way to have some fun adventures, this may be the camper for you.